Hello students, now we will be doing SPCC part 1 commercial communication and the first chapter bank correspondence. Here in this chapter we will be learning the letters which are written to the bank as well as the bank letter towards the customers. Now bank performs two main functions: to provide finance and to receive money. Along with various services, bank also provide ultra-modern facilities, that is your online and mobile banking facilities. Now, the Reserve Bank of India formulates rules for all types of bank, that is your nationalized bank, cooperative bank, private bank, industrial bank and agriculture bank. Current account and saving account holders can take the advantages of the banking service. Now, let us learn the bank correspondence. Whenever any communication is done with the bank, it must be in a simple style, precise language and in a prescribed format. In a bank correspondence, the account number and the type of the account, means like saving or current account, should be clearly mentioned. The other important thing is the date must be written in the letter. As and when any amount is to be mentioned in the bank correspondence, then it should be written in figure as well as in words. The amount in the words is written in the bracket. Normally, communication with the bank takes place because of two reasons. One is the request letter written to the bank and the other one is the complaint letter written to the bank. Request letters written to the bank are for opening an account, to stop the payment of the check, letter written to get the overdraft, letter to close an account, letter to open a demat account, letter written to get educational loan, to get lock-up facility in the bank, to get facility of credit card, debit card, ATM card, as well as if it is lost also to inform to the bank about it. Then the complaint letters written to the bank are complaining about the wrongful dishonor of the check by bank, complaining about the rude behavior of bank employee, drawing attention towards an error in the bank statement. Now, letter to open bank account. Generally, there is no letter to be written. There is an application which is to be filled and it has got a prescribed format in it, and accordingly we have to fill and we have to submit to the bank. The bank will scrutinize the form, and with this form we have to also submit certain documents, and once the bank approves it, then minimum amount is to be deposited and then the account is been opened. Now you can see the format of writing a letter to the bank. You have name and address of the sender, which if it is associates or something, you can write it on the top. Then you can see on your left hand side the phone number, mobile number, and beneath, if you need, you can put the email also. On your right side you will have your address. If you are not mentioned as the header, just above the date you can put the address. Now you will be mentioning towards your left side the manager, State Bank of India, Vadodara, and then you will be mentioning your subject, error in the bank statement or error in the passbook. Then the next line, again towards your left side, you will be writing sir. Then you will continue with the letter, that is the body of the letter, that you have joined saving account with your wife, bearing number, that is your account number, and from last so many years you are with this bank, and how many transactions have been carried out and all that you have just mentioned in one line. And then you will be mentioning about the detail where the mistakes have been occurred, that is in the second paragraph you will be putting the information about it. And then at the last you will be mentioning, I request you to send a rectified statement after due verification of both the entries, whatever you have mentioned. Again, towards your left side you will mention thanks, and then towards your right side yours faithfully, your signature, and just below that you will be writing your name. Then towards your left side, with the same line next to your signature only, to the opposite side you will write enclosure, that is a copy of the statement. I hope it's clear to you.